Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll share how to make easy and tasty Schezwan fried rice with you all. For that we need rice, carrot, capsicum and beans, Schezwan fried rice masala. Now add oil in the pan. Now add all the veggies and saute it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the Schezwan fried rice masala and saute it for a minute. Now add rice, mix it well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Schezwan fried rice is ready. If you want, you can try this once because it is really easy and tasty. And if you like this recipe, then please do like, share and comment down below. And for more amazing food and recipes, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.